why is that the modesty and dignity of a girl or a woman is being hurt in a country like India where we worship female goddesses?
My dear, let me tell you one thing, that I believe that India is a land of people by nature who are highly, I think, hypocrites. Because what they think in theory and what they do in reality, there are striking differences in that. Second thing, you know that in India we always believe that the women are those who have to sacrifice. आपने सुना होगा कहते हुए, हम कहते हैं कि एक बहुत ही बड़े पोएट ने लिखा भी है विमेन के बारे में कि औरत तेरी यही कहानी, आंचल में दूध आंखों में पानी। और शायद आज हमने इसको सच करके दिखा दिया कि औरत सिर्फ आंखों में पानी रखने के लिए ही है। हर मोड़ पे, हर जगह, हर गली में, हर कूचे में आज औरत के साथ इतना संगीन बर्ताव होता है, आपने देखा भी पीछे, कि ऐसा लगने लगता है कि शायद वो सिर्फ आंखों में पानी रखने के लिए ही है। और जो उसकी सोसाइटल एक स्टेटस होना चाहिए था, जो उसका एक सोसाइटी में एक रुतबा होना चाहिए था एज अ वीमेन, बिकॉज हम देखते हैं कि जितने भी इम्पोर्टेंट काम है, जितने बड़े बड़े काम हैं, वो शायद आज आदमी नहीं कर सकता है अगर औरत ना हो तो। वैसे ही दोनों बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, लेकिन हमने औरत को सिर्फ किचन, घर की चार दीवारी और कुछ ऐसे कामों तक सिमटा दिया है जो कि मुझे लगता है कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा एक नैरो सोच, नैरो माइंड का एक सिंबल है।
I believe that in India there is, because of the overpopulation and because of unemployment, poverty and lack of awareness, the dignity is being affected. Children at a very early age take up to crime, and because of the circumstances, it is the circumstances which make them like this. And I feel that if awareness is brought about, if we have opportunities, if we create such platforms wherein we can reduce poverty, unemployment, such kind of problems can be sorted out.
Your views regarding the rape which has happened recently?
I condemn this act completely. This is brutal and not acceptable at all. I feel by anyone in the country or anywhere else. And I feel these animals who have done this or have been doing should be eradicated completely from the society.
What do you think women can do to prevent such bad practices, these shameful acts?
First of all, they should learn self-defense, which is very important. So, can be in the form of judo, karate, or maybe carrying a pepper spray or something like that.
They should have something with them for instant escape.
Yeah, because these things are required, and they should start, at a younger age. Only girls should be trained for it. Like basically that this is a necessity. So that they're safe, because everywhere there's not going to be somebody along with them. They have to be on their own, and this will give them more confidence. You see, when I have things which I know I'm prepared, I'm confident, I'm ready to move out, and that is also going to aid them.
All of us are very much aware of the brutal incident that took place in the capital, and what I as a woman would like to highlight is that immaterial of what I wear, at what time in the night I am hanging out and whom I am hanging out with. The police has the responsibility to protect me, and the sons of soil, the men, must understand that they have no right to manhandle or mishandle me, because sons of soil do not rape.
All those 6 men do not deserve any of the human rights that the government is providing them with. I don't think after such an immoral act, they even deserve to be called humans. I would love to use the same rod to break their heads off. Raping a woman does not make you a real man. It makes you a coward. And you are the youth. You have to act
actually prove it to the rest of the world that Indians are not animals. They are real men. They are the best human beings on this earth. It's in your hands. It's high time that women now are being respected by one and all, and statistically every 30 minutes an Indian woman is raped.
And instead of going down, the number of cases has risen. So it's high time we improve ourselves and become better humans. We should evolutionize in a positive manner, not in a negative way.
What a shame. I want to ask girls, do they feel safe when they roam around in the city at the night? It is the mentality of the people that has to be changed.
This has awakened all the citizens of this country that we just call ourselves a democratic country. Actually, we are not. The human rights which have been told to us from our little childhood is not there. The police, which is for our protection, actually is just to disrupt the protest on India Gate. Actually, it is not to protect us. So, girls, be safe and protect yourself.
Moral education, ethical values, they have to be so, mixed with the syllabus, with the curriculum, that student at this particular tender age learn all these things and practice in their day-to-day life.
From the very beginning, we should be giving them some training for the self-defense. Each girl, I feel, should carry a pepper spray with her and other self-defense equipment so that she can, face if such a problem arises. If this such a situation is there, the girl should be able to handle it.
It's generally the mindset of a person. One has to be more open-minded. That narrow-mindedness has to be purged away, and that starts from the house, the first rule of any child.
Judiciary has to be slightly more systematic. Laws have to be, I believe, laws were made almost 60-70 years back, and the society has, has gone through a lot of transformation in last 70 years, and still we are following all those crepes and old laws. So I believe some laws need to be changed. First of all, strong deterrent should be produced for all these criminals. They should not be hanged. Rather, they should be treated in such a manner that they will ask for the death, but they would not be given.
I am a woman. Above and before that, I am a human. I have the right to choose the life I live, the work I do, the person I am. I am a woman, and I deserve freedom.